Duck Vac review. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, we will be trying to find out whether Duck Vac is a legit product or you should buy it or skip it. So as you can see, this is the official website of Duck Vac and this is the product that we are talking about. Over here you can scroll down and read the information that is mentioned on this page. Here you can get the 2 pack for $38.99. So in order to find out what people are actually saying about it, I went to amazon.com, and over here the product received 4.1 stars rating, in which around 58% people gave it 5 stars rating. If I click on the 5-star rating section, it will redirect me on this page where I can filter it out with the new one, and here you can read the reviews of what people are actually saying about it. So you can click on most recent, and as you can see, suck up crumbs, great, easy to use, quite powerful, very easy to work, light, compact, excellent for picking up small dry spills. So as you can see that all of these reviews are given on Amazon in the recent days, and all of them are positive 5 stars reviews. So this product is working for a majority of people, but they are purchasing the product from amazon.com. So if you are interested to purchase the item, then I would recommend you to go for amazon.com, because on Amazon you can even return the product in case you don't like it. So I would recommend you to purchase it from Amazon. If you want, I will also put its buying link down in the description, so you can also check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you love the review, then do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.